Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off high contrast mode on Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to power on your system unit and wait for your Windows 11 computer to fully load. Make sure everything is up and running before proceeding with the next steps. This ensures all your settings and features are properly loaded and ready to be adjusted. Once your PC is completely ready, navigate to your desktop where you'll see various app icons and folders displayed. Look for any empty space on your desktop and right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options available to you. From this menu, locate and click on Personalize. This option is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your Windows appearance, including themes, backgrounds, and accessibility features. After clicking Personalize, a new window will open showing your theme and background settings. This window contains numerous customization options for how your Windows interface looks and functions. Now you'll need to scroll down through this window until you find a link labeled High Contrast Settings. This specific option controls the high contrast accessibility feature that enhances visibility by using distinct colors and strong contrasts between elements on your screen. Click on the High Contrast Settings link to access the detailed configuration page. Once you're in this section, you'll immediately notice the Use High Contrast option prominently displayed with a toggle button next to it. This toggle is what controls whether the high contrast mode is currently active on your system. The high contrast feature is designed to help users who need enhanced visibility, but if you no longer need this accessibility option, you can easily disable it here. Simply toggle this option off by clicking on the switch. You'll notice an immediate change in your display as your Windows interface returns to its standard appearance with normal colors and contrast levels restored throughout the system. And that's it! You've successfully turned off high contrast mode on Windows 11, bringing your display back to its default visual settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.